tear down the bar with the bitch. You can't even talk to the bitch. Nah, she fucking with bosses and shit. I pull up in Rarleys and shit. With choppers and Rarleys and shit.
How you doing today? Yeah, your boy's back. And you think I'm feeling good today? Maybe a little. The Supreme Cannabis Company on fire. I think your boy predicted this. Along with everything else. Remember, we have the largest catalyst in history. In the history of the cannabis sector. We are 48 days, 13 hours, 58 minutes, and 16 seconds away from history. And what did I tell you yesterday when it was in the deep red? I said, this industry isn't going anywhere. Could be just a buying opportunity. I'm not going to tell you when to buy, clearly. But that was the time to buy. You want the evidence? I mean, it's a little bit stupid. Yeah. Yeah. See this list? The rich list? Yeah, there's a lot of green there. It's true. There's a lot of green there. And it's all free. Maybe I should start charging. These picks are damn good. Damn good. Only 2 in the red. And I told you not to touch the one that's the biggest in the red yesterday. I don't know what else I can really do, guys. I also told you yesterday ALEF was going to break out because it was going to cross. And what happened? Right after I announced that, it broke out. And what has happened further today? Oh yeah, it's up another 9.68%. Alethea Health Inc. It's on fire. It's true. 100% buy, top 1% single strength. And we identified it yesterday. And your boy Rich, I brought it to you first when they were a new IPO. So trust me, I'm not surprised about any of this. But thanks to you, the people, you brought it to my attention yesterday. I didn't even know it was 100% buy, top 1% single strength, until you guys brought it to my attention. Now, today's show is a very special show. Because in light of the fact that the market is on fire and everything is exploded as predicted by your boy Rich, here we are at $743, up 51 points and 7.39%, bringing back all the gains that were lost yesterday. All the losses that we lost yesterday, see this? This is Monday, this is Tuesday, here we are on Wednesday. So, all the losses we took yesterday just came right back today. So if you sold in panic yesterday, oh my goodness. I don't know what to say. I don't like to take an L. I like to build a bank account. I just want to build the bank account. It's all about building the bank account, right? And when you got all these picks and they just keep climbing and climbing and climbing every single day, how could you not be making money? Honestly. I mean, it'd be difficult not to make money in this market right now. Everything is green. Look at this. Everything. Global Cannabis Stock Index up 2.89%. Canadian Cannabis LP Index up 6.33%. Canadian Cannabis LP Tier 1 Index up 6.07%. Cannabis LP Tier 2 Index up 7.26%. Cannabis LP Tier 3 Index up 5.02%. I mean, this is ridiculous. And the news keeps flowing. And it will continue to, because we are 48 days away from history, and all of these companies are jockeying for position. Everybody's jockeying for position. These numbers don't even make sense, okay? So this is the big news of the day, obviously. Tilray, ridiculous. Q2 revenue grows 95% to 9.7 million. That isn't even that impressive. 9 million for the quarter? Like, hello? And you're going to trade at what price? Let's just pull this up. Like, this is when you know you're in the right place at the right time, right? This is when you know you're in the right place at the right time. When you got these types of picks, and they're not even making that much money, and they're at $61. I say pardon? $61! It's only making $10 million a quarter. How do you justify this? You can't. It's the hottest industry in the world right now in a bull market. Here's the evidence. What other evidence do you need? These are all the picks. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 42 picks. Out of the 42 picks, 39 are green. Pretty good, right? Now let's just pick a couple that your boy Rich brought you guys yesterday. Here's one. Inner Spirit, I told you guys about yesterday. Told you it was a monster. Told you it was a beast. Oh yeah, surprise, surprise. Up 12%. Strong buy, strong buy, strong buy, strong buy, strong buy, strong buy. Just makes me laugh. Vivo, oh yeah, I told you guys it was a beast. Strong buy, strong buy, strong buy, up 11%. Oh yeah, XLY, been telling you guys it's a beast nonstop. Strong buy, strong buy, strong buy, up 9%. Oh yeah, I told you guys Friday Night Inc. was a beast. A sleeping giant. Told you it's making money. Told you it's stupid cheap. And it is. Oh yeah, strong buy, strong buy, strong buy, strong buy, strong buy. And the monthly is a sell? I don't agree with that. I don't agree with you, investing.com, with your sell. Okay? It is a buy. These indicators are not 100%. Your boy Rich is a better indicator. What do I think about C-Web? I love me my C-Web. How could you not love C-Web? It's going to skyrocket. If Tilray can skyrocket, making $10 million a quarter, well, guess what? C-Web makes $40 million a year. They're making $10 million a quarter. So if Tilray can go to $60, then C-Web can go to $60. This industry is just stupid. Everything is trading at insane multiples. Let me prove it to you guys, because all I like to do is bring you guys the proof. You ready for this? Check this out. Here's the evidence of what I'm telling you guys right here. Which is putting a dark cloud, for me, on this entire industry. Which I love this industry, but you will not see me chase Tilray. Oh no. There's so many future Tilrays, man. Tilray in 2 words. Sell it! It is trading at 156 times forward sales. Yeah. 156 times forward sales. Ooh. CWeb will be at $7 a share, maybe a little higher, maybe a little lower, depending on how pre-market trading goes tomorrow. So Tilray, research on the company shows it is trading at 156 times forward sales, which seems quite overvalued as compared to other competitors. Which other competitors? Cannabis trading at 250. Aurora's trading at like 100. Isn't this kind of normal? Like, I don't understand these articles. Which competitors? The industry is booming, and the investors will do good by looking at companies operating in the marijuana industry. Isn't that what your boy Rich has been saying for a year and a half? However, Tilray does not seem to represent the same opportunity seen in its IPO. Bear in mind that the company sold shares at $17 or 42.5 times sales at that time. I ain't gonna touch it. But you guys do what you want. I ain't touching it. Talk about it. We'll get all excited about it. Some of you guys will momentum trade it and make a fortune. But it's trading at 156 times future revenue that they don't have. So how can you trade at 156 times future revenue that you don't have? I don't understand. So, anyways, to get back to the point, today's topic of today's show is, and guys, remember, you can go to Rich TV Live and you can get all these picks absolutely free right here. RichTVLive.com, just hover over stocks and all these tools are right here that you see on the show. And you can see that my picks are on my website and look at all the green. There's a lot of green today on RichTVLive.com. Now, yesterday was a tough day. We had a lot of red. Today, it is bouncing back and then some, and we are getting a lot of green. Now, thank you, Arian Ford, for bringing me Zynerba Pharma, Z-Y-N-E, a beast that has recently come down and just exploded today, up 17% at $7.99. It's a strong buy on the hourly chart, a buy on the daily chart, and a strong buy on the 15-minute chart. Really like this company, has huge upside, and if we take a look at ZYNE, I want to show you something. It's been much higher. I haven't looked at this company for a long time because I've been waiting for it to come down. It's been much higher. Much higher. Much higher. See this? So see in the last year how they've traded as high as $15? And now they're at $7.99. And they just hit a floor here recently of like 5. Oh yeah, this is going to be a beast. I think this has huge upside. Let's see if I can put them on NASDAQ.com. Let's see. Let me get rid of one here. Let's get rid of this one. Show you guys how I use NASDAQ.com to help me predict future winners. Speaking of future winners, NASDAQ.com has ISOL going up 181%, going from $3.59 to $10.10. Yeah. They have SNN, Saniva, going from $7 to $14, a 106% upside. They have ZYNE, take a look at this. Wow! Going to $19.33, a 146% upside. Yeah, I like it. Arian forward, man. You see this, Zinarba? You found the winner. Who's watching? Zinarba Pharmaceuticals projected to go up 146% to $19.33. Wow. I love you guys. If you're not winning, you're not watching. You at home right now, you have the chance to be a millionaire. Do you not see this? Is this not resonating with you? Everything is green, pretty much. So I want to tell you guys the rich system. I've been studying stocks for over 20 years, and I've been studying Warren Buffett specifically as my mentor. And I'm going to tell you guys my secrets to my success. I want to share them with you guys right now, as we are 48 days, 13 hours, 43 minutes, and 18 seconds away from history. Get a notepad and pen. I want you to write this down. This is the rich system. First, it's all about the research. Before you go into a stock, you got to research them. So what I do is I go to bar chart. I go to NASDAQ.com. I go to investing.com. I go to the marijuana index and I research my picks. Before I even look at buying them, I research them. I want to get to know them. I want to date them. I want to know everything about them. And if you don't know where to go, you just go to richtvlive.com, go over stocks, and everything's there. All the tools are here. So this is where I do my research and I identify the companies that I think might be winners, okay? Once I do that and I've identified my list, I create a portfolio like this and I start to watch them. I start to see their trading patterns. I start to see their trading history, their tendencies, read their news, read their financials, and I start learning about their management team. I start learning about their products. I start learning about their industry. If they have a strong management team, if they have a strong product, if they are in a industry that is a growing industry and it is an industry that has momentum like the cannabis industry, those are the picks that I start identifying and focusing on. Then what I do is I try to hunt 52-week lows to buy and I try to hunt 52-week highs to sell. I try to buy in the red and sell in the green. And if I use this strategy on all of my investing, usually I will come out on top. Now, the other thing I do is once I've checked all these boxes and I've dotted all my I's and crossed all my T's, and I really find something that I like, I then will sit there and I'll watch it for a bit and I will kind of date it and get to know everything about it. And then I will kind of say, all right, let me make a position. But when I make a position, I don't put 100% of my money in that stock. I only put up to 10% of the money in my account into one position. Now, the reason why I do this is if I go and let's just say I want to buy, and here's one that I'm very bullish on right now, guys. Big time. Inner Spirit. Look at all the, it's just a buy all the way around. It's up 16% by the way right now. I brought it to you guys yesterday. Free. So let's say I like it, I've done all my due diligence, I'm ready to buy it, I'm going to go buy it. I buy it. Let's say I have $10,000. I'm only going to put $1,000 into Inner Spirits. Now, if it goes up, I could put in more. If it goes down, the reason why I only put in 10% is I can take another 10% and then I can lower my cost to buy even more. Now, the reason why I do this, it's called lower cost averaging. I want to get the lowest possible price for the stock that I really like. Once I position myself as low as humanly possible, I am now waiting for the explosion because I've done my research, I've done my due diligence, I know it's a good company, it hits every single criteria I am looking for. So I'm confident that even if it goes down, I can buy more when it goes down so that when it does explode, I've lowered my costs and I will be able to come out with a profit. That is the rich system. The other thing I do is I think about, in my mind, would Warren Buffett buy this stock? And if the answer is no, I'm not going to touch it. Because in my mind, if it's not good enough for Warren Buffett, why should it be good enough for me? So really think like that and think about where you're putting your money and appreciate your money and respect your money because we're here to build our bank account. And if you want to build your bank account, you have to have a system, you have to have a strategy, and you got to follow it. If you follow it, you will create freedom. You will become a success. You too can become a millionaire. Why not? Look at this. How could you not be making money? I mean, I don't know. How could you not be making money in this market? Oh, by the way, Inner Spirit is now up 19%. So, I mean, I don't really know what else to say, you guys. I can't tell you what to buy and sell. I can only advise you guys. But I think I've given you guys enough information. That's Stocks 101 from your boy Rich right there. It's time for you to build your bank account. You right now. You may be down. You may be out. You may be up. You might be happy. You may be unhappy. This is an opportunity for you right now to change your life. This is historic. This is something that's never happened before. And Canada will be the world leader of cannabis. And that is the countdown on the Toronto Star, the largest newspaper in Canada. It is showing every single day for people to see right in their face. Do you think people are not buying stocks? You think they're not watching Rich TV Live? And if they're not watching Rich TV Live, they're probably not winning because they're not watching. But it's okay. It's not too late. Smash the like button. Share this video everywhere. Everybody should know about the winners. It's going to help you. It's going to help me. Let's go, champ. Let's go, champ. That's all I got to say, man. It's about that time. This is your boy Rich, guys. Stocks 101. Follow the Rich system so you can get freedom. Because don't you deserve freedom? I mean, I'm just going to keep bringing the picks every single day. That's a lot of winners, man. That's a lot of winners. Now, a lot of you guys, before I leave, I got to share this with you. CV Sciences. Why is CV Sciences going down? They are being sued. Look, the first news you see, class action alert. Yeah, class action alert, lawsuits. Yeah, not something I'm interested in. Hopefully you guys are understanding what I'm talking about here. Some things are going to go up, some things are going to go down. Don't chase. Buy in the red, sell in the green. Yesterday was the day to bid. Yesterday was the day to buy. Today's the day to sell. Okay? I'm not telling you what to do. If you want to hold long-term, hold long-term. I'm holding. I ain't selling anything. I'm holding. We got 48 days until history. I ain't selling anything. I'm here for the ride. Get your popcorn ready. This is your boy Rich. Oh, and I got to give this to you one more time. Since we're having such a big winning day, I got to hit it one more time. I got to look at it one more time. Because this is just special. It's special. It's special. I'm out. Peace. I got nothing left to say. It's ridiculous. The Rich picks are fire. It's true. It's true.